welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's holiday season is going well so far. For those that celebrate, happy Thanksgiving. Let's see those plates down in the comment section. If you're here, you probably know why, but just in case you don't, that's right, it's time for another BUC-EE'S update on the build here in Springfield, Missouri. We are just 18 short days away from the grand opening, and the excitement around town is definitely building. They're just wrapping up a few final touches and repairs, and it's all done. All right, now gather everyone around, grab your plates, sit back, relax to one of the final update videos in this series. It's been awesome documenting the build, speaking with new people, and gaining knowledge throughout the past year and a half, and we wouldn't be where we are today without each and every one of you out there watching and showing support. It's been awesome watching the channel grow, and I can't wait to see what the next year has in store for us. The support we've received from everyone this year is definitely what I'm most grateful for. Thanks for an absolutely epic year. You guys are freaking rock stars. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season filled with love, laughter, and happiness with all of your friends and family. From my son and I here on E2 Air, we want to wish everyone out there happy holidays. All right, enough of me rambling. Let's get into this update. Oh, what's this? YouTube says over 90% of you aren't subscribed? Come on, let's switch those numbers around. Alright, that's going to wrap things up for this week's update. If you stuck around till the end, thank you. We appreciate it. If you all like the content, make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let's throw this YouTube algorithm into high gear and see where it can take us. Once again, happy holidays to everyone from my son and I. And lastly, if you'd like to keep going down this YouTube rabbit hole, here's some more videos for you right here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.